In a state where outside temperatures can reach the mid-80s even in winter, there is always a demand for air conditioning and for the companies which provide air conditioning installation and service. This listing is for an air conditioning installation and service company in Charlotte County, serving both residential and commercial customers. The business's service area spans Charlotte, Sarasota, Lee, and DeSoto counties, allowing for a great many business opportunities. The business achieves annual revenues close to $350,000 and an owner benefit of over $70,000. The asking price on this business is $150,000, which includes $100,000 worth of equipment and $10,000 worth of usable inventory. This business is a recognized essential service provider by the state of Florida, and its consistent record of excellent service have gained it a large following in the community. The business is currently home-based, with a small storage area for vehicles and equipment, thus allowing for very easy relocation. The business is fully equipped and ready to get started immediately, eliminating the time and cost of setting up a brand new operation. If you think that this could be the right business opportunity for you, give us a call or send us an email, and we will be very happy to speak with you and provide further details. Thank you.